Hi everyone, today in this video you're going to learn some more tricks on the new UI, the holiday update, that will help you through some of the questions that have come onto my channel. People have been asking me, so I'm going to do another video to help everybody out, and if you stay tuned to this you will learn all about it, and we're going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel, and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is when you're actually playing your stereo or your music, people have said it's very annoying that you go into your screen. It works like this. You go to pull it down, you can either have the navigation low screen with hardly anything, or off completely, or it obliterates the map. And people have said to me, is there a way around it? Yes, there is. If you look, you've got three little arrows here, three little lines. If you hit that line, it takes it down to a quarter of the screen. Now, at the quarter of this screen means that when you hit it next time, it goes off, takes it up to the full, but when you put it the third time, you get the quarter. And that saves you a problem right there. Now, talking of HomeLink, as you see, is not on the screen at all at the moment. And people have had problems with the garage door not working properly. And there's a quick way that you can set it up to do that. Let me show you. So you can't see it on the top screen anymore. It's not there. You have to go in to your controls, the quick controls, and immediately it's there. See it there? Look, put an arrow in. Now if you hit it and you see at the bottom it's got HomeLink settings. If you go into the HomeLink, you have to do it quick because it's gone off. HomeLink settings, and if you put the one that you want, in my case I'm over here, and you don't want to program it, you want to press reset location. If you hit reset location and then say reset, all of a sudden you see now my green has appeared up there. It's turned green because it's there now, and it's appeared on my screen here. So let's take all the screens out and let's go back into that. And also you can then set how far away it is. So in my instance I'm 70 feet away. You could be longer than that. You could have it, so if we press auto fold on arriving, auto mirrors, and then you can program it to whatever you want. But I'm happy with it as it is. I don't need to change any of that. It's now on, it's here. If you hit it, it will then activate the garage door, but it will work as soon as you drive up to it. And that will help you if you have a problem with your garage door not activating the unit properly. Rather than you thinking there's a problem, just reset your location. And make sure you drive up to the garage door in that location, press reset, and then you should have no problem at all. That solves that one. Meanwhile, I need your help. Yes, come closer. I do need you. Now, it's really, and not many creators often ask you for your help. I'm asking you directly because I know it makes a big difference to the channel, the output, and makes the channel grow. And all I need to do for you to get your support, for you to be one of my respected followers, is to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll get the latest video when it comes out. But that will be brilliant. Let's move on to the navigation screen. Now the navigation screen has changed. If you look here, you've got charging, which is great because now you can see all the charges local to me. There's quite a load there. So say I want to go to Cobham, United Kingdom, right? I'll hit that one and that's now gone in. In the meantime, I now want to put in another location. All you need to do is you hit the three little dots there, and it gives you three options: add to a stop, edit the trip, and settings. We want to add to a stop. Here we go. See, add to a stop. I go along and I want to go, let me just pull one over, Supercharger, Trentham, UK. Hit that one there. Now, as you see, straight away it's taken it to the first one, which is similar to what we had before, but with one exception. With the new UI, they've improved it. All you do is you hit the three dots and you see where it says edit trip. You edit trip, and now you can physically move them around. So I want Ionity, Cobham, United Kingdom instead of the Trenton, UK, or I could put it back and it will run much better. So again, that's a really quick tip that will help you. Also, if you get fed up with all this rubbish on the screen, you know, like here, let's get rid of this again and say done. You see all this stuff on the screen, you might not want that. So if you tap the screen and you see here where you've got the little, the bottom, this one, now the screen is completely clear. There's nothing on there. So if I put it on, you can see all the bits around it. I turn it off and they disappear. Have a clean map. Before we go, one other thing that someone's asked me about. What is this blue here? Well, that blue there is so that you can use, if you've got FSD, beta, or if you've got FSD that you've paid for but you haven't got anything yet, you can still use that to actually guide you on the motorway. So basically it will move you back and forward in lane and take you out, and the symbol that it's on is the blue. If you turn it off, nothing will happen, but if you leave it on, and that's what that little blue is indicating there. I hope that's helped you too. If your app is showing kilometers and miles mixed like this, and you want to change it to get it back to miles like this is how you do it. Head over to the App Store, search Tesla like that. As it comes up, you will see it say open, slide it down and it comes up update, and then from then you go back and it's done. We're going to bring out some more as and when people are complaining that they need some help. And don't forget, I need your help. I know, I always ask you, but if you can, that'd be brilliant. To become one of my followers, please, please, please hit that subscribe button just down there, that notification bell, and make sure that you put a thumbs up and you give me a little comment to say what you want. If there's something that's bugging you, please, I respond to all of my comments, so I'm delighted that you take the time to actually write to me. So I make it my business to make sure that I respond to you, not just a little thumbs up or like or anything like that. I actually do talk to you back. Anyway, until the next video, we look forward to seeing you then. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack. Oops.